I was running on empty, dreams heavy on my back. Had the fire in my vision, but my focus faded black. I was drowning in the northern, losing time I can't replace. But the mirror never lies, I could see it in my face. I ain't broken, I ain't done, just a man who had to choose. You don't grow inside a war where you're only built to lose. So I walked out of the shadows, left the weight that held me down, and I stepped into the sunlight where my purpose could be found. 'Cause I'm building me, piece by piece, every setback just a step I need. When the world said quit, I said watch me breathe. 'Cause the grind don't stop when the lights go weak. Yeah, I bled for this, paid my dues, turned my battles into something new. This fire inside, it's breaking free. 'Cause the hardest work I did was building me. Every long night working, every doubt I had to fight, every dream I let fall dead, I brought back into the light. It wasn't luck, it wasn't magic, it was discipline and scars. It was waking up at zero, just to aim beyond the stars. You can lose yourself in battles that were never meant to win, but a man becomes unstoppable when he rises up again. Now I'm standing with a purpose and a vision only I can see. I'm not chasing validation, I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. 'Cause I'm building me, piece by piece, every setback just a step I need. When the world said quit, I said watch me breathe. 'Cause the grind don't stop when the lights go weak. Yeah, I bled for this, paid my dues, turned my battles into something new. This fire inside, it's breaking free. 'Cause the hardest work I did was building me. I had to lose myself to find me, had to fall before I climbed, had to silence all the voices just to hear my own this time. Now the road is mine to follow,